but this will be a video going through the instructions. So first, we will look here, and we have a vise holding a fixture. If you don't have a vise and a fixture, you'll need an extra wrench to tighten this together. You'll need 2 wrenches. In this case, we have the vise with the fixture, so we just need the 1 wrench. So we'll start by verifying that our cap and ferrules are oriented correctly. We should have, at the bottom we have the nut, and we have the bottom ferrule, which should be facing flat to the bottom of the nut. And then we have the upper ferrule, which should have the wider section on the bottom. So now we can put this nut and ferrule onto our object that we want to swage. And we can place this onto our fixture or fitting. In this case, this is all the way down. What we want to do is lift it up 1/16 of an inch. So I will lift it up just a little bit so it's not pressing down on the bottom, and I'll tighten down just a tiny bit. Now, note the orientation of the nut on here. So I'm starting right here on this edge. And what I want to do now is I want to turn for this size. This is 3/8. So I'm going to turn 1 1/4 turns around this. So I should meet back up here first. So I'm going to start turning. There's our 1. And I'm going to go to the quarter mark here. Alright, now that's fully swaged. If we want to unassemble this fitting, or in this case, take it off the fixture, we'll have to reverse the direction. Now you should have a swaged nut and ferrule.